Hey y'all, I'm going to change the insulated vented window in our motorhome, and I'm going to show you how I can do it. So what I need is a 3/16 drill bit, some 3/16 pop rivets, a pop rivet gun. I just got to take the screen out and then open the window up, drill out the 2 pop rivets, and I should be able to slide after I get it drilled, take the lock loose and whatnot, slide it out, put the window at a 45, slide the old window out, slide the new one in, blah, 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 real quick. So we'll see how that goes. But the reason we're changing it, this insulated glass is fogged. So here we go, folks. First we'll try to get the screen out. Should be pretty easy, except for this thing needs to be that way. Got the screen out. Now I need to open this up, and then I need to drill out these pop rivets. One. There's 2. Got them drilled out. Then ought to be able to push that out. Now I'll go to the outside. Now we'll see how easy this works. So I gotta slide the window crank thing off. That came out pretty easy. Then I think you just got to put this window this might not be this that ain't how I thought it would be. I thought it was going to slide right out. Looks like that end's coming down. Wonder why this end ain't coming down. I thought it would just slide out sideways, but well, that's kind of messed up. The way I see it. One side's coming out and one ain't. Why is that? Looks like there's a screw in there. Looks like there was a screw on the inside. There, now she came right out. I don't know if I need to cut that to put that screw back in. I'm not going to worry about it. So the new glass is exactly the same size. I just gotta This one don't have a groove cut in it. The old one had a groove cut in it, and then a screw on the inside to keep it from sliding back and forth. So I think I should cut the same groove. I decided I'm going to put it in without cutting this out. And then if it slides too much, then I guess I know what I need to do. But we'll start without doing that. Because I think once you get the window in there and you get the lock system in, okay. Okay. All right. Now should be pretty easy peasy. 2 pop rivets. We'll see how easy peasy it goes. There's one. Maybe, if I can get it out of there. There she goes. The only thing, these pop rivets are not black. They're aluminum, so my wife would just have to paint them. in, window out. Cool. Should be Uptown Sally. We'll see how this window does. If it seems like it moves, you know, the window moves this way a little bit, then I'll take that back apart and put that little notch in there. Okay, so screen's in, window opens, window shuts, no fog, looking good. What do you think of that, guys?